Hello, my name is Stacey Bogle at sellmyhousefastbaltimore.com. Welcome to my channel. I am an investor and realtor at Exit on the Harbor Realty in Baltimore, Maryland. And in today's video, we will be discussing the best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. So, the goal of every homeowner is to sell their house quickly for the best price possible. Renovating your house before selling it achieves those goals by increasing the value of the home. So, there's a plethora of improvements and renovations that can be done on a property, and in today's video, we'll discuss 3 of the best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. The first renovation would be minor bathroom remodel. So this can include replacing the tub, old shower doors, the surrounding tile, flooring, the toilet, sink, vanity, and fixtures. Also removing dated wall coverings and just applying a fresh coat of paint. And the average return at resale for a bathroom remodel is 102%. So minor bathroom remodel is one of the best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. The second is landscaping. According to the American Nursery Landscape Association, the average homeowner spends about $3,500 for landscaping and close to about $1,500 on a designer. So to get started with your landscaping design, many local garden centers offer free design services. If your doorway is covered with overgrown shrubs, you want to cut them down and replace them with flowering plants. Also to create like a dramatic effect, vary the heights and colors of the plants. And to grab buyers' attention, try adding a splash of color to the front of the house. Stick to one color and then vary the heights of the plant to maximize that effect. Add value to your property by creating a focal point like a walkway or a fountain. The average return at resale for landscaping is 100%. So landscaping is the second best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. And the third renovation is minor kitchen remodel. Minor kitchen remodel is ideal when your kitchen needs updating or cosmetic updating without having to drastically change the floor plan. The floor plan. Kitchen updates can include sanding and painting cabinets and drawers, installing a new wall oven, cooktop, sink and fixtures, laminate counters, and resilient flooring. Now, if the home is worth more than $500,000, Home and Gardens suggest updating countertops with stone or like a trendy glass. Also, changing drapes and window molding gives the kitchen a new look at a low cost. Average return at resale for a kitchen remodel is 98.5%. Kitchen remodel is the third best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. So there you have it. These are 3 of the best renovations to do before selling in Baltimore. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and share it and subscribe to my channel. Also, do you want to learn how to sell your house quickly for the best price possible? Click below to access my homeowner's guide to pre-sale renovation.